You ready to do the lap?
Sit.
Okay, we're going to do Elfie.
Sit.
Elfie's going to go on Haley's lap. Okay, Haley, you go first. And then Elfie's going to go on your lap.
Go.
Okay?
Set. Go.
Ready, set, go. Hi, Elf.
Nate.
Woo! What happened? You left Elfie at the top. You want to do it again?
Yes.
Okay, come here. Is that your snake sound? Is that what Elfie says? There she is. Kitty. There's Elfie.
Wow. Nate.
Okay, are you ready?
Huh?
Okay, I gotta put her on your lap. Okay. Ready? Here we go. Oh, Elf, come here. Ready? Sit in Haley's lap. Where's she going?
Hold it. Hold it.
Oh, you want me to hold it?
Yeah. Hold it.
You gonna go under like a tunnel? Go under like a tunnel. A snake tunnel. Snake tunnel. Go. Sit. You want Elfie to sit?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I gotta put her up here.
Hey. Yay. So.
There she is.
So. You.
There she is.
Going in.
Where's she going?
Go say.
Go, snake, go. Oh, look, there's Elfie. She's hanging on your slide. Oh, there she goes.
Goose.
Goes. Oh, no. Come here, Elf. There she is. Hi, Elf. Hi, Elfie. All right, you want to come give Elfie kisses? Gonna come give her? You gonna give her a kiss? Come give Elfie kisses. Can you do? Could you give her kisses? Oh. Give her snake kisses. She's ready. There she is. She's ready for you. Can you give her snake kisses?
Oh, help.
Oh, Elfie, help.
Help.
Help, Elfie.
Hey.
Can you give her kisses? That's very sweet.